Hi, how are you all doing? Thank you for clicking onto this video. I'm very excited today because I'm going to review the Clarins Double Serum. Clarins have reworked its 30-year-old formula Double Serum and it is now the 8th generation. They have different claims on this product, and so in this video, I'll give you my honest review of this product, whether this product works or you can give this a pass. Is this 30-year-old formula able to withstand the test of time? So let's find out. Hi everybody, my name is Gladys. Thank you for clicking onto this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. I mainly make skincare related topics, so if you're interested, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new video. Clarins has this 30-year-old formula Double Serum in their skincare line, and they made a lot of claim on this particular product. I was like, really? You're able to deliver all that you have claimed? What turns out was quite appalling. So first of all, what the product claim is that it is able to reverse signs of aging, it is able to make your skin firmer, it's able to smooth wrinkles and fine lines, it's able to minimize your pores, it's going to give you radiance and evenness of your skin tone. Oh my god, this sounds like the serum to get. First of all, let's look at the ingredients itself. In the product claim, they say that this product contains 21 effective anti-aging water and oil-soluble ingredients, and they're all combined in one bottle. I think that this part of this product is very clever because, you know, our skin needs both moisture and oil to maintain its oil-water balance. Having to combine both ingredients in the same tube is very good. You know, it's a good way to give moisture back to our skin. And another great thing about this product, it claimed that it has 21 plant extract that is going to be beneficial for your skin, and I find that some of the extract are quite good. They provide soothing and moisturizing effect and hydration that your skin would need. For example, the oat extract, which would be perfect for soothing any inflammation on your skin, and it also contains avocado oil. Avocado oil would be a very good moisturizing agent, and also it contains turmeric. This is the controversial part now. They base this serum on a research saying, oh, you know, your skin cell membranes has receptors with, you know, all the signals around us, whether it's from stress, whether it's from the environment. If we are under stress, these receptors tend to decrease. Receptors in the cell membrane help to maintain our young looking skin, and then so they wanted some ingredients that is able to help those membrane not have those disappearing receptors, and they claim that turmeric is the ingredient to that solution, being able to restore or at least give the receptors back to the skin cells, and so that it can work normally. I'm like, what? Turmeric? From where? How? So we all know that turmeric is a very good anti-inflammatory ingredient. Maybe I haven't done enough extensive research, but I couldn't find anything around what they claim, you know, the turmeric is able to talk to the environment. I'm like, how? Just like, I'm like scratching my head here, you know, help me. If you can find that particular study that they find that turmeric is, as what they claim, had this property, and they even highlight it in the product itself. I really don't understand why they, oh god, this is frustrating. I just don't know how they get it from. Okay, so, sorry, a bit of a distraction. Anyhow, turmeric has its anti-inflammatory properties and it soothes your skin. At most, I can say that this formula is able to give you that soothing, it's able to give you that moisture hydration that your skin would benefit from. And it has a lot of plant extract being added into this formula. It has 21 plant extract. I have watched another video from April. She is a cosmetic chemist, and she talked about how she doesn't like plant extract. One, you don't need that many plant extract. It's more like the aesthetic feeling of adding that many plant extract. Two is some people will actually get allergic to that amount of plant extract, and there's just little to no evidence of most of the plant extract being added into this formula. So as April said, she's not really a fan of all this plant extract because these plant extract aren't really potent, because the way of these extracts are being extracted, they are either being soaked in water, in alcohol, or in oil to extract the, you know, nutrients, if you will, out of the plant. So it's not that potent. All this plant extract doesn't really necessarily make the formula more effective. And apart from adding a bunch of plant extract that with little research backed, you know, how effective they are on our skin, another thing is it It has a lot of fragrance, so it's heavily fragranced. It's definitely overpriced. I really doubt whether it is really able to deliver what it claims it does. And it even did a test on a group of women and see how they are with this product. So after 7 days, they claim that those women experience that their skin get instant glow. It helps with their wrinkles and fine lines. It minimizes their pores and contribute a visibly younger looking skin. And then they also did another test on 40-something people, asked them if they're satisfied with the product, and over 90% of them are satisfied with the results that they are getting. This test is again very questionable. The reason why I say that is because the way they have conducted this test was based on how people feel. They asked the participants to see how they feel about their skin, whether they feel their skin is plumper or firmer after a certain amount of time. Now, this type of test, I'm not saying it's useless, it's just not very reliable in determining how effective the product is on fighting against any signs of aging on your face, in particular for this product claims. Unlike some of the medical brands, which they are able to show how effective certain product is. For example, in fighting any signs of aging, they would say that there is a certain percentage decrease of wrinkles or fine lines, or how many percentage firmer on people's skin, or what's the pore size. They measure it, how the pore size, instead of based on how people feel, because how people feel is very subjective. And most importantly, I can just give them a very hydrating, plumping serum instead of this product, and they probably would came up with a similar answer how they feel about using this product. So I would say that this test isn't reliable in giving people the confidence of how effective this product is. In my opinion, what I can see that this formula, it is a very good humectant, moisturizing and hydrating formula. I would say that because of this moisture-rich formulation, it is able to make your skin appear more plump. That's why people claim that they would increase more radiance and evenness of their skin tone, because your skin is well dehydrated. Your pores as a result will also minimize because your skin are plumper. But hold on, but there are a lot of tons of other products that can do the same thing. Simple as hyaluronic acid. You know, hyaluronic acid not only is a hydrating ingredient, it actually is able to plump up your skin instantly. It's gonna make your skin radiant immediately. It's gonna even out your skin tone. It's gonna give you that plump effect so that your wrinkles and fine lines are improved. It can also help minimize the pores. So why spend that much money on this product? So my point is, we just need to be smarter when it comes to buying products for ourselves. We don't get carried away with what they claim. Oh my God, you know, they claim all this benefit. It's like anti-aging serum is a holy grail product. But when you really take your time to look into it, or you can just watch my video, it's actually not what they claim it can do. Save your money on this, seriously. And another thing is, they say that they can minimize pores. There's no ingredients that could help to minimize pores. And most importantly, most of this plant extract are under the 1% mark. I really doubt how effective they are. One, they don't have scientific facts. Two, they are under 1%. Are they really gonna be that effective? I really doubt that. If you are looking for anti-aging products, go for retinol. Retinol has an extensive research of how it is able to give you that radiant, young-looking skin over time. It has like 50 years of research backed, and they're much cheaper than this Clarins double serum. So this product is awesome moisturizing serum. You know, it can plump up your skin because of this, or the oil or the plant extract. You know, at most it can give you humectant occlusive into this product. It's a heavily fragrance moisturizing serum. If there are any products that you wanted me to review within Clarins line or other products, let me know. You can leave a comment down below. If you're still here on this video, thank you so much for sticking around. I have more video on how you can take care of your skin, so you can check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new video. I will see you in my next video. Bye!